Boaters Net would like to offer a 2018 Malibu model wakesetter MXZ 22 powerboat for sale. The boat currently resides in Byron, California, and asking price is $105,000. The boat has a monsoon 6.2-liter 450 horsepower engine with approximately 600 hours on it, high altitude torque prop, black G35 tower, 12-inch subs, 4 wet sound rev, 10 tower speakers, plug-and-play ballast, surf gate with Malibu soft surf band, power wedge 2, LED docking lights, towable cover, and the trailers included. The owner states these 2018 Malibu boats 22 MXZ has a maximized lifestyle. It's engineered for comfort and entertainment and is designed with extraordinary luxury and accessibility. The 22 MXZ features multiple industry-leading technologies, including the unparalleled max ballast system that delivers ultra-precise measurement of the L-shaped ballast tanks for limitless weight create with convenient touchscreen control from the digital command center. Experience maximum fun with your crew and enjoy unforgettable wakeboarding, wake surfing, and skiing on the new 2018 22 MXZ. For more information and pictures or to contact the owner, visit boatersnet.net.